Hey guys, thanks for joining us again on Ready Set Viral. Do you want to level up your kids' rooms? We have a couple tips for you in this video, so let's find out. Let's take a look at some amazing kids' room makeovers, but before anything else, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the little notification bell below so you don't miss any of our content. These tips will help you get the perfect setup for your kids in terms of creativity, organization, and safety. Number 1, wall paint. To fit the vibe of your energetic kids, a boring paint job in their rooms just won't do. Try adding some glitters or other textures along with your paint. Give them a whirl and you're good to start painting. Make sure the colors match well to prevent redos. Number 2, DIY boxes. Tired of clutter in their rooms? You can do your own DIY storage boxes. You can get cardboard boxes from past purchases to start. Get creative with the materials on the outer design. It can be ropes or poppets to cover the outside, and make sure to also cover the inside to make them use the box. Use plain gift wrappers, pillowcases, or other cloths. Number 3, mesh laundry bags. Another tip in storing their toys are laundry bags. If you can find the ones with zippers, even better. You can dye each one of them and classify them using the different colors, so your kids know which bags to put their toys in. Number 4, ball lights. You can upgrade the aesthetics of either their play area or their sleeping quarters with ball lights. These lights give the area some nice things to look at and really accentuates the surface next to them. We recommend having one color for the whole set of lights for easier matching. But if your child prefers a solid colored wall, then an assorted color will work as well. Number 5, IKEA cube shelves. This one is for storing either clothes, toys, or your kids' milestones. You can get creative with how you store these items in these shelves. If you opt for clothes, you can put clothing bins with labels on them, and this gives you the option to diversify and personalize each one of them. You also have the option to give the shelves a background to give off a vibe, either printed or some colored cloth. Number 6, IKEA Kura beds. Another IKEA piece. These beds are so versatile you can turn them into bunk beds or turn the space on the bottom into a play or study area. You can get creative by painting the bed frame or by putting panels between the frames. If you're housing 2 kids, you can get crafty with the space, and you can even put a mini play cave in between. Whatever you choose to do, make sure you do it according to what your kid likes, of course. Number 7, pegboard. Although these handy pieces look like hardware pieces, you can easily customize them with a little bit of paint or wrapping. The fun thing is you can use caddies to hang whatever items your kids use. Either books, clothes, artwork, it's up to you. Number 8, luminescent paint. If you like a little bit of magic in your kids' rooms, get some light. You can make artworks that can be focal points, and it'll look cool and serve as a temporary nightlight while your young one gets some shut-eye. Mix your luminescent paint with the paint you're going to use to design, and you can start painting. Number 9, flooring. Make sure you don't forget the flooring because it ensures your children's safety. They'll run, jump, crawl, make some steps in creativity and safety. You can try bamboo or eucalyptus if it goes with the room's interior, but the usual tiles or concrete would also do. If you would like to make the play area bright, try putting some soft colorful tiles that also accent the purpose of the area. The best thing about this one is that you can change it easily once your kids outgrow this phase. That's it for today. What do you guys think of these amazing kids' room makeover ideas? Let us know down below and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed it and turn your post notifications on. That's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen as well. We'll see you guys next time.